Nisi. And the first me I hear that name there.
First media hear too. A unique name, cause she's a unique woman, you know?
I'm happy for you. As long as she make you happy.
Yeah, man. I'm not telling a lie, I'm happy. It's fresh still, you know? And you don't know what them say about young love, but feel like she, you know, she the one.
So that means that she so move in with you and help you out to the bar and the weed and them something there.
I don't think that ever happen anytime soon, cause she her own businesswoman, you know? 3 business she run. She run a salon, she have a bar and a restaurant, and she run a funeral home too.
Funeral home? Numbers are brave, you know? Especially when I go out with them people around them kind of business there.
What go on with them?
Whole heap of things. Me see them use them place for storage for illegal weapons, drugs, whole heap of something.
Little miss. I showed you 100 too. And the other day, I have to talk to her about that, you know. Because she tell me about one of her friends, but in the same business like her, and they are foreign. Somebody had tried page her. She said somebody from her past, where she used to run some little things with, then forward back no one, run some more gun things through fear, same place. Me not talk about nice in her friend. Me have to say to her, say, yo, tell your friend, say, not deal with that. Me have to shake her up, come here, say, you see, I call your friend. Next thing, she go and come page you for run the same kind of order upon your place. So I have to talk to her rough. Even though the relationship new, I have to say to her, say, yeah, hear me? I G out the street, I know them things that run. So I have to shake up her system and say, yo, not do that. Tell your friend, say, she have know herself too. And take her, just accept responsibility for her own action star. Don't make she dry out. And I know say her friend, you know, but I tell her, say, don't make she tell you nothing because you say once them approach she, them approach you. Tell her, say, she have to be careful not them time. You can't trust nobody.
Slow down, Numbers. What you say? Somebody link her friend for store gun?
May I tell you?
And as somebody from her past?
Yeah. So that's why I tell her, say, she have to wise up. Because before she know it, the friend will link her. If the friend fall back into the trap there, you know. Remember, say them things I run through Jamaica all the time, you know, so I have to tell her, say, hear me, I say, you might see me, but you don't know me. I you to know the whole acre. Ask that acre. The whole 9 yards. She not have to say 40, 39, good.
You have to be careful doing the Numbers. Because if she get involved, she no must tell you. Worse like how you talk to her.
You know, so them always say you have to listen to even the babes and suckling sometimes because out of their mouth shall come powerful words. Real talk can make, you know.
Just don't get blinded by love, yeah? Keep your eye open. Like how you say you rate me rate you.
As usual, you know. Yeah, G long time, you know. I touch back the road again, you know.
Alright.
Just do what you say you're going to do for me and let me know as soon as possible.
Yeah, man.
I figure a report to the general, them, you know. I want to idea them, man, just pass through down my bar, man. I have a drink. I know so maybe you know the drinking thing too tough, but if I have now one sorrel beer on the house.
No problem, Numbers.
Pick up yourself.
Alright.
I'll call him back, you know, and tell him, say, make a pick up, you know.
No, man. Where you get that name there from? Why somebody named Brokeback?
And it broke him back. In a real life, run up in a truck back. Here when I realize. You see, when the youth them nowadays jump on a trend, it's almost like them make dancehall govern it. Broke back has something happen to people in a real life, you know. But through a song that out the name broke back, I realize if you say broke back and it related to a man, it's almost like the mind gone now in a different place. More about that generation, you know, because the youth them nah meds nothing, man. Everything. You can't say back, you can't say down, you can't say up, you can't say whole heap of rare, man. But I saw the brother name. I broke him back, run up in a truck back, but our general are the most reliable man. Believe me, when I call him, he's there foot. You get what I say?
Alright.
Yeah, man. You broke back. Pick up. Now there top of the road.
Bubbles? Yeah. I have something more to talk to you about.